Introduction to JavaScript arrays. Arrays in JavaScript hold multiple values under a single name. They can store strings, numbers, objects, or even other arrays. This beginner-friendly guide covers array basics, access, and modification, understanding array syntax, array declaration, const fruits equals. Data types arrays can hold strings, numbers, objects, or nested arrays. This flexibility allows for complex data storage in one collection or list containing zero or more data types, and use numbered indices starting from zero to access specific items. Arrays are very useful as they store multiple values in a single variable, which can condense and organize our code, making it more readable and maintainable. Arrays can contain any data type, including numbers, strings, and objects. JavaScript arrays are resizable and can contain a mix of different data types. JavaScript arrays are not associative arrays, and so array elements cannot be accessed using arbitrary strings as indexes, but must be accessed using non-negative integers as indexes. JavaScript arrays are zero-indexed. The first element of an array is at index 0, the second is at index 1, and so on, and the last element is at the value of the array's length property -1. Array indexing and access 0 based index first element is at index 0, none. Access elements use bracket notation. Fruits returns banana. Last element access with fruits. Array indices. Array objects cannot use arbitrary strings as element indexes, but must use non-negative integers. Setting or accessing via non-integers will not set or retrieve an element from the array list itself, but will set or access a variable associated with that array's object property collection. The array's object properties and list of array elements are separate, and the array's traversal and mutation operations cannot be applied to these named properties. JavaScript array operations. Creation of arrays. The items in an array are enclosed within square brackets. For this example, we'll imagine that we are looking at a list of cars. Let cars equals. The array above is only holding integer values, but arrays are capable of holding multiple values of different data types. Accessing array elements. The notation for accessing the elements inside an array is also square brackets. Every element in the array is assigned with an index. By default, the first index of an array is 0. To retrieve a specified element from an array, a pair of square brackets enclosing the index value is used, i.e. cars. To avoid any confusion, think of the index as the number of items to skip, counting from the start of the array. Array length property. As the name suggests, the length property retrieves the length of the array. Let len x cars console log. The length of the cars array is stored in the variable len. You can view the output on the console. Modifying array elements. Mutable arrays. Array elements can be changed after creation. Example modification. Fruits kiwi changes orange to kiwi. Dynamic content mutability enables easy updates and dynamic data management. Using the length property returns the total number of elements in an array. Looping aid commonly used to control loops iterating through arrays. Last element access last element using fruits. Looping through arrays for loop. Classic way to iterate from index 0 to length -1. For each method, cleaner modern syntax for running a function on each element. Loops enable processing, filtering, or transforming array contents efficiently. Nested arrays. What are nested arrays? Arrays inside arrays, allowing hierarchical data structures. Accessing nested use multiple brackets. R for second element inside first array. Use cases, model grids, matrices, or complex data collections. Nested arrays, also known as multidimensional arrays, are arrays that contain other arrays as elements. They are useful for representing data structures like matrices, tables, or tree like structures. Key takeaways: arrays store multiple values. They can hold many types and be nested. Arrays are mutable elements, can be changed easily anytime. Use loops and length property to iterate and manage array data effectively.